Okay, let's just dive right in. For the last, 2 decades? The rules for getting found online have been pretty clear. But a massive AI-powered shift is happening right now, and it is changing literally everything we thought we knew about search. So today we're going to break down the new playbook.
I mean, think back. It wasn't even that long ago. You'd type a question into Google, and boom, that classic list of 10 blue links would pop up. And your job was to click, 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 piece all the information together, and find your own answer. That was the game. We all knew how to play it.
But that era, well, it's coming to an end, fast. Now, when you ask a question to an AI engine, think ChatGPT, Perplexity, or even Google's new AI overviews, you don't get a list of options to choose from. You just get a single, synthesized answer. And this, right here, is the fundamental change that's rewriting all the rules.
And look, this isn't some far-off, futuristic prediction. Gartner is saying that by 2026, that's just around the corner. Traditional search engine volume is going to drop by a staggering 25%. A quarter of the traffic that we've all been fighting for is just shifting over to this new AI model. The need to adapt isn't just important, it's urgent.
So what does this new world actually look like? Well, the goalposts have completely moved. We are moving away from a world that was absolutely obsessed with clicks and into a new economy that's all about citations.
Let's really break this down. The old goal was super simple, right? Get to the top of the Google page, get that person to click on your link, and bring them to your website. But the new goal? It's to make your content so trustworthy, so crystal clear, that an AI engine just lifts it, synthesizes it, and presents it as the answer, naming you as the source. You see, you might not even get the click, but you get something almost more valuable, authority right inside the answer itself.
To play in this new arena, we've got to learn the new lingo. A whole bunch of new acronyms are popping up to describe these new strategies, so let's demystify them one by one.
First up, we've got Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO. This is all about making your content dead simple for an AI to read and understand. The whole point is to get included in the answer. You're structuring individual facts, definitions, and stats so an AI can just pick them up directly and use them to answer a question.
And what's so interesting here is just how different the mindset is. With SEO, you're focused on optimizing whole pages. With AEO, you're optimizing for tiny chunks of text. Success isn't about traffic anymore. It's about getting mentioned, getting cited within those AI answers. It's a total shift from macro to micro. Next is Generative Engine Optimization, GEO. Now, this is a little different. While AEO is about getting one specific fact pulled out, GEO is about earning your spot in a bigger summary that the AI builds from multiple sources it trusts. So your goal here is to be one of those reliable pillars the AI leans on to build its answer.
So you might be wondering, where do these AI engines find these trusted sources? Well, this is where the old world and the new world collide. A recent study found that a whopping 87% of ChatGPT's search citations come from pages that already rank in the top 20 of Bing's search results.
And this isn't just a one-off thing. This trend holds true pretty much across the board. You can see it right here. Google's AI overviews, they pull from the top 10 results 77% of the time. Bing Copilot, 70% from their top 20. And Perplexity AI is at 60%. So what's the big takeaway here? It's that having a strong foundation in traditional SEO is still your ticket to get into the AI game. Plain and simple, you have to be visible to be cited.
Okay, so we get it. We understand the new landscape, the new players. Now for the most important part. How do we actually win? Let's get into a clear, actionable strategy.
The strategy really boils down to 4 key pillars. And let me be clear, this is not about throwing out everything you know about SEO. Not at all. It's about evolving how you apply it. We need to structure for extraction, demonstrate our authority, answer questions directly, and of course, build on a solid technical foundation.
So first up, structure for extraction. This means you put the answer right at the top. Think like a journalist. Use super clear, question-based headings that an AI can easily match to what a user is asking. Break your information down into lists, tables, short paragraphs. You got to start thinking in chunks, not pages. Make every single paragraph a potential standalone answer.
Second, you have to scream authority. AI models are literally trained to sniff out the most trustworthy sources. So that means EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust, is more critical than ever before. Use real author names with real bios, cite your sources, show people when your content was last updated. These are all huge trust signals that the AI is actively looking for.
Third, answer the real questions that real people are asking.
This means going way beyond simple keyword research. You need to dive into what we're calling prompt research. Go to places like Reddit and Quora and see the actual conversational language people use when they're trying to solve their problems. Then anticipate the very next question they're going to ask and answer that one too.
And finally, none of this works if the technical foundation is shaky. You have to use schema markup. It's like a special vocabulary for search engines that gives AI more context about your content. You got to make sure you're not accidentally blocking AI crawlers in your robots.txt file. And of course, a fast, stable website is absolutely non-negotiable.
But here's the thing. Providing answers is really just the beginning. The next evolution is already here, and it's all about AI moving from just giving us information to actually taking action for us.
Welcome to the world of agentic commerce. This is a model where an AI agent doesn't just tell you about the best running shoes. It actually finds them, compares them based on your specific needs, and then buys them for you, all inside a single chat. Discovery and buying are collapsing into one single step.
And this isn't a someday thing. It's happening right now. With features like OpenAI's instant checkout, the process is incredibly smooth. You ask for a product, the AI shows you some options from different stores, you pick one, and the agent securely completes the purchase. The user might never even visit the store's website.
And this requires a deep, profound strategic shift. This slide really hammers it home. The focus moves from human-friendly web pages to machine-readable data feeds. Instead of optimizing content, you're optimizing product APIs. And instead of tracking clicks, you're measuring your agent selection rate. It's a completely new set of metrics for a completely new game.
And this isn't just a theory. As industry expert Eli Schwartz points out, the conversion rates are actually higher through this new channel. And why is that? It's because the AI does a way better job of understanding exactly what a user wants and matching them to the perfect product, cutting through all the noise online.
So this is it. This is the crucial question every single brand needs to be asking itself right now. As AI becomes the main way we not only find information but also take action, is your business set up to be a trusted, reliable partner for these agents? Or are you going to be left behind as just another source in the noise? The real question is, are you ready to market your brand not just to people but to the AI agents they trust to make decisions for them? Because the time to figure that out is now.